So guys, our today's tutorial is on how to draw a fillet in the Solidworks. So firstly select all the planes and click on show. Then select the front plane and click on sketch. So to draw a chamfer, to draw a fillet, we need to draw the two lines or the two intersecting lines. So I am selecting here the two lines, or just draw the random two lines without any dimensions. So I'm selecting here the fillet command, which is our today's tutorial command. So I'm selecting here the two adjacent lines. You can also get the yellow point or the yellow mark here, which is the interprets our result, yellow line. So you can also change the radius from here, and you can also want it, then it can directly dimension to your fillet by selecting here the menu dimension each fillet. So this is our today's tutorial command, how to draw a fillet. So thank you.